Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. Two circles touch each other externally. The sum of their areas is 74 pi and the distance between their centers is 12 centimeter. Find the radii. So these are the two circles which are touching each other externally. So let the radius be, let the radii of two circles be R1 and R2, right? Sum of their areas, that means pi R1 square plus pi R2 square is 74 pi. Fine, pi can be taken common and this will become R1 square plus R2 square is 74 pi. Pi gets cancelled. R1 square plus R2 square is 74. This is my first information. And the distance between their centers, that is R1 plus R2 is 12. This is my second information. Now here what we have to understand, we have been given R1 plus R2. In case I find R1 minus R2, I'll solve these two equations, this equation and this equation simultaneously and get the values. So my job will be to find R1 minus R2. To find R1 minus R2, I need to have R1 into R2. Why so? I'll show you. R1 minus R2 whole square is R1 square plus R2 square minus 2 R1 R2. This we know, but we don't know this and we don't know this. So we need to find R1 R2. And we know R1 plus R2 whole square is following the identity of A plus B whole square, that is R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 R1 R2. This is the identity of A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Fine. So now R1 plus R2 we know it is 12. So this will become 12 ka square. R1 plus R1 square plus R2 square is 74. So we'll write 74 plus 2 R1 R2. Find 144 minus 74 is 2 R1 R2. 144 minus 74 is 70. So what we got? We got 2 R1 R2 as 70. Now we will put this in this equation, third equation. So now we can write R1 minus R2 whole square is R1 square plus R2 square minus 2 R1 R2. Again using the identity A minus B whole square identity, say I have expanded this. So R1 minus R2 I have to find. Iski to value we don't know. So we'll write it as it is. R1 square plus R2 square is how much? 74 minus 70. Because we found this value as 70. So R1 minus R2 whole square is 4. So R1 minus R2 is square root of 4, that is 2. So we got R1 minus R2 and we have R1 plus R2 also. So R1 plus R2 is 12 and R1 minus R2 is 2. So we will solve this simultaneously by eliminating R2 and R2, plus minus 0 हो जाएगा and R1 plus R1 2R1 is equal to 14. R1 is 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Fine. Now putting the value of R1, put the value of R1 in R1 plus R2 is equal to 12. What I will get? 7 plus R2 is equal to 12. So R2 is 12 minus 7. That is R2 is 5 centimeter. So what are the radius of the two circle? Therefore, the radius of two circles are 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Fine. What we had to find? Find their radius. So we have found their radius. The radius is 7 and 5. If they say diameter, then double it. You will get the diameter of the given circles. Fine. If they say diameter, so diameter of first circle is 7 2s are 14, and diameter of second circle is 5 2s are 10 centimeter. So this is how we find the radius